Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a review of this fabulous Fashionova gown. I really like it. Look at how it shimmers in the sun. And then I have this crystal bag to go with it, and of course my crystal sunglasses, which I'm gonna take off because I know you all like to see my eyes. And then I have these huge crystal earrings. I'm not gonna move too much because I don't want it to weigh down my ear lobes. And can we take a moment and appreciate this? This is a size extra small, but as you all know, I have small babies, so it's not too tight on the babies. I'll see if my stylist will actually pull this band so it gives me some, cleavage. But anyway, so this is my look. I'll try and hold it so I don't fall. I decided to showcase it outside such that you all can see the shine, the glimmer, the glitter. So yeah, I love it. I think this will be perfect for dinner. What do you all think? Do you think this will be perfect for dinner or what? And then I have the Azalea Wang crystal shoes to go with it. This is my kind of style. So let me go ahead and showcase it for you all real quick. So music. my loves, for the showcasing of this outfit. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you think this is perfect for dinner, or do you think it's better for the opera or something like that? You all know I love flashy and crystal outfits, and so this fits the bill. If you enjoyed the vlog, smash the like button and share with your friends. And if you have not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe icon here or here, depending on where you may be on your screen. And do turn on the notification such that you'll be notified when next I upload another vlog. And please do follow me on my social media, on Instagram at fashionista.professor, on TikTok Professor C. And till next time I upload another vlog, you all continue to take care. Okay, you all continue to find your happy place. Kisses from far away. Kisses from far away. Kisses from far away. Yes.